Kanyong tanan, maayong buntag sa tanang mga taga Cebu, dakbayan sa Sugbo, maayong buntag ug maupay nga agahan taga Waray, which is Tacloban City, Leyte. Ayan, maupay nga aga haaton nga tanan. And magandang umaga po sa lahat ng mga taga Luzon. This is your Inday. Once again, I'm back. And currently, I'm thinking na masisimplang to ako. Kasi may nag-request po sa akin ng isang song. Kagabi pa to. Pagbibigyan ko siya, but I don't know the song. I'm not familiar ko sa song, but hindi ko siya kinakanta. Pero itcha-try ko po kasi nagpa-star siya sa akin. And siya po ay nakatira ngayon sa Norway. I'm referring to Inday Rees, which is her Facebook page. And meron din po siyang YouTube channel. Ang pangalan po ng kanyang YouTube channel is Patty and Mama's World. Siya po ay isa sa mga friendship ko dito sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook. Matulungin po siyang tao. No? I don't know, Norway ata or basta Germany. Parang Germany. German. So, ang kantang ito ay Out of Reach ni Gabriel. Napapakinggan ko lang to pero hindi ko siya kinakanta. Parang latest, hindi naman siya latest, parang 90s or 2000 na song. Oo. Hindi talaga siya sa akin kasi 80s ako eh. And I used to sing 60s, 70s, 50s, 20s, 40s, 10s. Ganyang mga kanta, no? Kasi nga matanda na tayo. But then again, kakantahin po natin ang kanyang request. Without further ado, I'm gonna play the accompaniment. Let's do it! Pasensya na po kayo, wala pa akong boses. Hindi ko din alam ang song. No, the sign wasn't right. I was stupid for a while. Swept away by you, and now I feel like a fool. So confused, my heart bruised. Was I ever loved by you? Out of reach, so far, I'll never have your heart. Out of reach, couldn't see we were never meant to be. Against myself from despair, I could tell I stay here, keeping busy every day, and I know I'll be okay. Yaman. So confused, my heart bruised. Was I ever loved by you? Out of reach, so far, I never had your heart. Out of reach, couldn't see we were never meant to be. So much heart, too much pain. Takes a while to regain what it lost inside. I hope that in time you'll be out of my mind. I'll be over you. So confused, my heart bruised. confused. Was I ever loved by you? At a reach so far, I never made you. At a reach, couldn't see we were ever meant to be. At a reach so far, you never gave your heart. In my reach, I can see there's a life out there for me. Pero kaya ko siguro yun pag pre-practice ko pa ng pre-practice, no? At ano po ang boses ko. Maraming simplang. But anyway, wish granted ni Ma'am Riz. Ayun na po, kinanta ko na po. At sana hindi mo ako i-unfollow at i-unsubscribe. I wish granted na ay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and listening. This is your and I. God bless everyone and happy weekend.